My name is Michael Ortiz. I served in the Army from 2006 to 2010. While I was deployed in Iraq in 2008, I was in an IED attack where an improvised explosive device hit the vehicle that I was in, and it gave me a mild concussion and a back injury that to this day I've had, multiple surgeries for.
Furnishing Hope furnishes homes for wounded, ill, and injured service members. Through thoughtful design, we make them comfortable and ready to take on the challenges of their lives. We were put together with Michael by the VA.
Since Furnishing Hope furnished my home, me and my wife have kind of been back and forth with making home decor items and furniture. We kind of got everything together right after all that happened.
I can remember when I walked in Michael's home and looked around and it was empty, except against the wall was a bookcase, and that bookcase was wood and pipe.
We made our own first piece of furniture after we saw something that we couldn't afford to buy. My wife said, "You can make that." So we went and we bought a saw, and then I cut a couple pieces of wood together and some metal, and I made a shelf.
And I thought, how cool. I said, make some for our warehouse and let's put it in there and let's see if we can sell it. So we did, and it was great.
Before I knew it, we were selling so much, we had to save some money to rent out a warehouse. It got really intense really fast. The name of our company is Timberfields Woodworks. I handle making all the furniture. My wife handles all the home decor. I think people see the value in American-made. As a veteran, it's important that I have something to be proud of. A lot of times people thank you for your service, and sometimes it's bittersweet because it's something that had already happened and you're not involved in anymore. And so to have something in the present that people can be grateful for, that you can do, it gives you such fulfillment that, it's a healthy way of living.
I am so excited and happy about what Michael and April have been able to do, taking that small bookcase and building it into such a gorgeous company and such beautiful furniture. Something I'm very proud of. I'm very proud of them.